In a performance which already has a lot of assignments going on, it's sometimes necessary to unlink some of them when you do not want to happen that much sonically. First of all, let's deactivate the super knob in scenes 1 and 2 to make sure it won't jump with the change of scenes. Use the link feature for scene 1 and 2 to connect the assignable knobs to the super knob. Select scene 1 and turn off all switches except number 6 to unlink the related assignable knobs. Select scene 2 and turn off all switches except number 3.